Hyundai has one of the most dramatic reputation turnarounds in automotive history. There was a time, not all that long ago, when buying a used Hyundai was considered a risk. The brand was synonymous with cheap build quality, questionable longevity, and the kind of depreciation that made resale value a painful conversation. But something shifted. Hyundai invested heavily in engineering, quality control, and powertrain development, and the results started showing up in reliability surveys, owner forums, and independent long-term tests in a way that genuinely surprised the automotive world. Today, certain used Hyundai models represent some of the best value propositions in the entire used car market. Dependable, affordable to maintain, and capable of running well past the 200,000-mile mark when properly cared for. The 10 models we are covering today are not chosen based on popularity or sales numbers. They are chosen specifically because they have demonstrated a pattern of real-world durability that consistently catches buyers off guard. So, if you are in the market for a used car and you have not seriously considered Hyundai, this video is going to make you reconsider. Let us get into it. Model 1. Hyundai Elantra, 2014 to 2020. The Elantra from this generation is the kind of car that keeps showing up on reliability lists almost by accident. It was never the flashiest vehicle in its class, never the one that won comparison tests on outright performance or luxury feel, but it has proven to be relentlessly competent in the way that actually matters for long-term ownership. The 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine that powers most of these models is one of the less stressed, more thoroughly developed engines Hyundai has ever produced. It does not ask much in the way of maintenance, responds well to regular oil changes, and has a track record of pushing well into the six-figure mileage range without major incident. What makes the 2014 to 2020 window particularly appealing is that Hyundai had already worked through most of the growing pains of earlier Elantra generations, and the turbocharged sport variant had not yet introduced the additional complexity that comes with forced induction. You're getting a refined, mature version of a compact sedan that the brand had been refining for years. Interior quality took a meaningful step forward during this period as well, so you're not sacrificing comfort for reliability. For a used daily driver under a modest budget, it is very hard to argue against the Elantra from these years. Model 2. Hyundai Sonata, 2015 to 2019. The Sonata sits in the mid-size sedan segment, which is one of the most competitive and well-scrutinized categories in the automotive world, and it has earned its reputation there honestly. The 2015 to 2019 generation is powered primarily by a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder that has accumulated a strong ownership record across hundreds of thousands of real-world vehicles. It is not an exciting engine in the enthusiast sense, but it is exactly the kind of powertrain you want in a car you plan to own and drive for a long time. Smooth, predictable, relatively easy to service, and genuinely durable when maintained on schedule. This generation of Sonata also benefited from a significant investment in interior refinement and feature content that made it genuinely competitive with Toyota Camry and Honda Accord alternatives at the time. Finding a used example today means getting a well-equipped, spacious family sedan at a price point that reflects Hyundai's historical depreciation curve rather than the car's actual capability. One thing to be aware of is the turbocharged 2.0-liter variant, which carries slightly more complexity and a less universally celebrated ownership record than the naturally aspirated model. Stick with the 2.4, and you are getting one of the most sensible used car purchases in this segment. Model 3. Hyundai Tucson, 2016 to 2020. The Tucson from this generation occupies the compact SUV space with a level of dependability that has genuinely surprised automotive journalists who went in expecting mediocrity. The 2.0-liter base engine in this generation is particularly well regarded, offering a straightforward powertrain package without the additional complication of turbocharging. The all-wheel drive system, when equipped, has also proven to be robust and well integrated, avoiding the kind of transfer case and coupling issues that have plagued some competitors in this segment. What sets the 2016 to 2020 Tucson apart in the used market is the combination of its mechanical reliability and the sheer availability of examples. Because Hyundai sold enormous numbers of these vehicles during this period, the used market is well stocked, which creates natural price competition among sellers. You can find well-maintained, lower mileage examples at prices that would be impossible for a Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V of comparable age and condition. The Tucson also has a comfortable, well-thought-out interior that holds up well over time, which means a used example at 70,000 or 80,000 miles typically still feels like a reasonably modern vehicle, rather than something that is visibly worn out. Model 4. Hyundai Santa Fe, 2013 to 2018. The Santa Fe represents Hyundai's entry into the larger family SUV space, and this particular generation earned a level of respect from long-term owners that the brand had not previously achieved in this segment. The 2.4-liter and 3.3-liter engine options both have solid track records, with the naturally aspirated configurations again proving more bulletproof over time than the turbocharged alternatives. The 6-speed automatic transmission paired with these engines is a mature, well-sorted unit that has not generated the kind of widespread complaints that would give a careful buyer pause. What makes the Santa Fe from this era particularly interesting as a used purchase is the value it offers in terms of interior space and feature content relative to its asking price in today's used market. These vehicles have depreciated considerably, yet the underlying mechanicals remain competitive with what newer vehicles in the segment offer. Buyers who are willing to look past the age of the platform and focus on the ownership data will find a capable, comfortable family hauler that asks for little beyond routine maintenance. It is the kind of vehicle that long-term owners frequently describe as simply never giving them a reason to think about it, which is exactly the compliment you want to be able to give a used car. Model 5. Hyundai Accent, 2012 to 2017. The Accent does not get much attention in reliability conversations because it is a subcompact, and subcompacts rarely generate excitement of any kind. But that anonymity has been working in the Accent's favor for years. The 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine in this generation is one of the most unpretentious, durable small engines Hyundai has produced. It makes modest power, consumes fuel efficiently, and asks almost nothing of its owner beyond basic scheduled maintenance. The transmission options, whether the 6-speed manual or the 6-speed automatic, are both well regarded for their longevity. The case for the used Accent is essentially this. If your primary goal is a reliable vehicle that gets you from point A to point B with minimal drama and minimal cost, it is very difficult to find a better candidate at the prices these cars command in the used market. They are inexpensive to insure, inexpensive to fuel, and inexpensive to repair when the rare issue does arise. Parts are widely available, and independent mechanics are generally familiar with the platform. For a first car, a secondary vehicle, or simply a budget-conscious daily driver, the Accent from this generation makes a compelling and frequently overlooked case for itself. Model 6. Hyundai Genesis Coupe, 2013 to 2016. This one is going to surprise some people, because the Genesis Coupe is a sports car, and sports cars and reliability do not always belong in the same sentence. But Hyundai made some specific engineering decisions with the Genesis Coupe that ended up benefiting long-term durability. The 3.8-liter V6 version in particular has developed a strong reputation among owners who have put serious miles on these cars. It is a robust, naturally aspirated engine that responds well to higher mileage as long as maintenance has not been neglected. The rear-wheel drive platform is straightforward and well understood by performance-oriented mechanics. The caveat with the Genesis Coupe is that you need to buy a well-documented example with a clear history of proper care. Being a sporty rear-wheel drive vehicle, these cars attract buyers who sometimes drive them hard, and maintenance habits vary accordingly. A well-maintained Genesis Coupe from this generation with documented service history is a genuinely reliable performance car at a remarkable price point. A neglected one is a different story entirely. Do your homework on the specific vehicle, get a pre-purchase inspection from someone familiar with the platform, and the Genesis Coupe can be one of the more rewarding used car purchases on this list. Model 7. Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid, 2017 to 2022. The Ioniq Hybrid represents Hyundai's most focused attempt to build a dedicated hybrid platform from the ground up rather than adapting an existing model. That approach paid off in a reliability profile that has impressed owners and analysts alike. The 1.6-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with Hyundai's hybrid system has demonstrated a pattern of durability that competes directly with Toyota's legendary hybrid reputation, which is not a sentence anyone expected to be writing about Hyundai a decade ago. What makes the Ioniq Hybrid particularly attractive as a used purchase is the combination of its mechanical reliability and its operating economy. Fuel consumption figures in the mid to high 50s miles per gallon in real-world conditions mean that the cost of ownership stays low throughout the vehicle's life. The hybrid battery, which is often the primary concern for used hybrid buyers, has shown strong longevity data and comes with a warranty that Hyundai extended aggressively to build confidence in the system. For a used buyer who wants efficiency and reliability without the complexity of a full electric vehicle, the Ioniq Hybrid is one of the most compelling options currently available in the used market at any price point. Model 8, Hyundai Veloster, 2019 to 2021, non-turbo. The Veloster has always been a quirky vehicle with its asymmetric three-door layout and polarizing styling, and that personality has sometimes overshadowed its mechanical substance. The naturally aspirated 2.0-liter version from the second generation, covering 2019 to 2021, is a car that has earned quiet respect in reliability data, while the louder turbocharged variants get most of the press. Hyundai smoothed out the platform significantly for this generation compared to the original, addressing NVH concerns and refining the powertrain calibration in ways that show up positively in long-term ownership. The non-turbo Veloster asks for very little. It is a practical enough daily driver in a package that is more visually interesting than most alternatives at its price point. And the 2.0-liter engine is the same family of naturally aspirated 4 cylinders that has proven itself in the Elantra and other Hyundai products. The interior is well screwed together for its class, and the rear passenger access, while unconventional, is genuinely functional once you adapt to it. In the used market, the Veloster non-turbo is frequently undervalued relative to its actual dependability, making it a genuinely interesting find for a buyer who wants something that stands out without the maintenance anxiety that can come with more performance-oriented used cars. Model 9, Hyundai Kona, 2018 to 2021. The Kona arrived at exactly the right moment, when the subcompact SUV segment was becoming the fastest-growing category in the market, and it came in with a level of quality and feature content that immediately positioned it as a serious player. The 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine in the base and mid-range trims has developed a clean reliability record in the years since these vehicles hit the road. The platform is modern and well-engineered, and the available all-wheel drive system has not generated the drivetrain concerns that showed up in some earlier Hyundai AWD applications. The Kona's particular strength in the used market is how well it has aged aesthetically and in terms of feature content. A 2019 or 2020 Kona with modest mileage still feels current, with technology and design cues that have not dated quickly. This is relevant for resale down the road and for the simple day-to-day experience of driving a car that does not feel old, despite being several years off the showroom floor. As with other models on this list, the turbocharged variant carries a slightly more mixed reliability picture than the naturally aspirated option. So, the 2.0-liter base engine is the recommended choice for a buyer prioritizing long-term dependability over additional performance. Model 10, Hyundai Palisade, 2020 to 2022. The Palisade is the newest vehicle on this list, and it earns its place not through decades of accumulated data, but through the strength of its early ownership record and what that early data suggests about its long-term trajectory. Hyundai's flagship 3-row SUV launched in 2020 with a 3.8-liter V6 engine that is both powerful and, crucially, naturally aspirated. In a segment increasingly dominated by turbocharged 4 cylinders chasing efficiency numbers, the Palisade's V6 is a breath of fresh air for buyers who prioritize powertrain durability over maximum fuel economy on paper. The initial ownership data across thousands of Palisade examples has been encouraging in a way that reflects how far Hyundai's engineering has come. Interior quality genuinely competes with the best in the segment. Reliability complaints have been relatively rare and minor compared to category rivals, and the overall ownership experience has been one of the brand's clearest statements yet, that it belongs in the same conversation as Toyota and Honda when it comes to building durable, trustworthy vehicles. Finding a used Palisade from the 2020 to 2022 range at current market prices gives you a recent, highly capable 3-row SUV at a discount that reflects general depreciation rather than any meaningful quality concern. It is arguably the strongest value proposition on this entire list. The bottom line: the used Hyundai market has genuinely changed, And buyers who are still operating on the brand's old reputation are leaving real value on the table. Every model on this list has earned its place through actual ownership data, real-world durability records, and the kind of long-term results that come from an automaker that committed seriously to engineering improvement and followed through. Whether you are looking for a budget-friendly compact, a practical family SUV, an efficient hybrid, or a spacious three-row, there is a used Hyundai that belongs in your consideration set. The key, as with any used vehicle, is choosing the right generation, prioritizing naturally aspirated engines where possible, and buying a car with documented service history. Do those things with any of the 10 models we covered today, and you are very likely to end up with a vehicle that surprises you with just how little it asks of you over a long and trouble-free ownership experience. If this video helped you think about your next used car purchase differently, drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. We will see you in the next one.